Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm making something really delicious. Tonight I'm making fish stew, and I'm using some salmon that I cut into chunks. And the other ingredients that I'm using tonight are peppers. I sliced up a half of a red pepper, half of a yellow pepper, half of a tomato. No, matter of fact, I used a whole tomato, one whole tomato, sorry. I'm using half of a red onion, and I'm using lime juice. Using some garlic that I mashed, 3 cloves I mashed up. I'm using some cilantro, some parsley that I chopped. I'm using some sofrito, chicken bouillon cube, and 1 bay leaf. I'm also using some black pepper, and I'm using some black pepper, salt. That's oregano over here. Sorry, oregano, and I'm using cumin. So let's get started. Okay, so to my pan, I have it preheating. I'm adding some olive oil. I'm not measuring it, so I'm just basically eyeballing it. I'm going to say 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And to that, I'm going to add my homemade sofrito. See if I can get it out of here. Okay. And to that I'm adding my garlic, and I'm going to add my bay leaf, and then add all the other ingredients afterwards. I'm going to let this cook down. So I'm going to let this cook for about, I'm going to say 5 minutes, covered. I'm going to put this on low and just let the onions and everything sweat. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and I'm going to add my tomatoes. And now I'm going to add the seasoning. I'm going to add some oregano. Some cumin. Some salt. And some pepper. To this I'm adding frozen salmon, and the reason why I'm adding frozen salmon to the stew is because if I would have let it thaw out, it would have broke up into pieces. So I wanted it to keep its consistency, its shape. So that's the reason why I left it frozen, and it's going to cook in the stew. So it will cook as the stew is cooking. So right now what I'm going to do is squeeze a little bit of lime juice over the top. Okay, so now I'm going to add the parsley, and I'm adding the cilantro. And now at this point I have to be really gentle with this because I don't want to break the salmon. Okay. I'm going to add my broth that I added some water to make it a lot easier to dissolve. Okay. Now I'm just going to let this come to a boil, and in 10 minutes it should be ready. This is about the quickest you're gonna make any stew, really. Because if I was doing chicken stew, of course I would still be in here. But I'm gonna let this come to a boil, so I'm turning up the heat. Rather, I'm turning up my flame, and this is what it looks like so far. You know, this smells really good. I swear it does, guys. This is really a quick stew, and I'm gonna put this over some rice. I decided to add some green peppers to it, so I just like color to my soup. Okay, so in a few minutes this will be done. Now I just gotta wait for the peppers because everything else is done. Alright, so I'm just gonna cover this up and I will be back. Okay, so now it's ready, and I'm going to plate it. But look at it, it's full of everything in here. Onions, garlic, you see all the pretty colors in here, and I love to eat with my eyes, so that's the reason why I threw almost everything in the kitchen and my refrigerator in this soup. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna plate this and I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna have some rice. I'm not gonna have a lot of rice, but it's a little bit of rice. And so this is it. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of crackers here, and I'm going to put a lime right here, and my spoon, and some more parsley, and that's it. This is a really easy soup. And like I said, if you don't want to use salmon, you can use a whitefish, you know, codfish or something like that, you know. But a fish that basically will hold up when you're making a soup, that won't break apart. Well, guys, I just want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good night. God bless. Bye-bye.